Hi, welcome back to my video. In this video, you are going to learn how to access directories and also how to see the content of victim Android phone. So in the previous video, you saw how to create a payload and also seen the information of victim phone. And now I am in my terminal. Here you can see the system information. And next I am going to type pwd. Pwd is a command print working directory where it shows the exact location of payload. So now here showing my payload where it is present, and next I am going to show you the directory is present in the victim phone. Now entering into the SD card by typing cd/SD card, then pressing enter, next typing ls command. Here you can see all the directories present in the victim phone. You can see shared directory, themes and some more directories. Next, if you want to create any directory in the victim phone, you should make use of mkdir command. And now I am going to create a directory by typing mkdir sac, then pressing enter, then once again typing ls command. So here you can see the sac directory which I have created just now. And next I am going to show you how to remove the directory by typing rm sac and then again typing ls command. Here you can see that the directory has been deleted. So that's how we are going to create and delete a directory in the victim phone. Next I am going to show you how to copy the contacts of victim phone by just typing a simple command dump_contacts, then pressing enter. Now here it shows that the 228 contacts have been saved from the victim phone, and those contacts are saved in the .txt format with a file name. And also you can dump the SMSs and call logs by using same command. If you want to dump the SMSs, just type dump_SMS, and if you want to dump the call logs, just type dump_call log. And next I am going to check whether the victim phone is rooted or not by typing a simple command check root, then pressing enter. So this is how you are going to check the victim phone whether it is rooted or not. Now checking out the webcams of the victim phone by just typing webcam_list. Here it shows that there are two cameras. Those are 1 back camera, 2 front camera. And now I am going to take a snapshot from the victim phone by just typing webcam_snap1. It's going to take a photo from the victim back camera. Here comes my pop-up gallery. Now you can see the photo which have been taken from the victim's camera. And next I am going to check for the front camera by just typing webcam_snap2. So here you can see the victim face. So that's all in this video. This video is done on behalf of my student recommendation. So if you want any videos, send me a message. Thank you.